The best watering wands are functional and sturdy, and they can include a variety of adjustable features to make it easier to water lawns and gardens. We rounded up some of the top performers to test in our garden. Read on to learn more about the features we prioritized and why we recommend them all. Based on our tests, these are the best watering wands you can buy in 2023. Number 1, Green Mount 24-inch. Sprayer wand with 8 watering patterns. A short watering wand is a smart pick for patio planters and small gardens. This 16-inch watering wand from Green Mount fits a variety of features into its compact design. The wand boasts 8 adjustable spray patterns and a lever controller with a separate flow control knob. Use the squeeze lever to turn the water on and the flow control knob to adjust the water pressure. For big jobs, a lever lock at the base of the handle eliminates the need to squeeze. The lightweight aluminum shaft is durable, and a slip-resistant handle adds to the wand's comfort and stability. In testing, we approved of the Green Mount watering wand's compact stature and sturdy construction. Most wands simply use a sliding thumb lever to perform the on-off, lock, and flow control functions. Only a long-term test would reveal which design is more durable. One outstanding point with this wand was the spray pattern selector. It worked similarly to the others, but it snapped in place much more securely than the competition. Overall, the Green Mount proved to be a durable, comfortable compact option that suits small garden spaces. Pros: compact size maneuvers easily in tight spaces. 8 spray patterns from which to choose. Flow control is separate from the trigger mechanism. Durable construction. Cons: short reach. Number 2, Orbit 36-inch Sunmate turret wand with ratcheting head. Gardeners with plants in hard-to-reach spots will want to consider this 36-inch watering wand from Orbit. The long shaft can reach hanging baskets, shrubs, and tucked-away spots in crowded gardens. With 9 spray options and a pivoting spray head, this extended sprayer is a versatile pick for large gardens. The spray head rotates 180 degrees so users can water plants near the roots as well as overhead planters without crouching or stretching. The durable build combines an aluminum shaft with a plastic watering head and handle. For ease of use, the handle features a fireman grip control lever. With a smooth push, it allows users to adjust the water flow with less hand fatigue. We were impressed by the combination of extended reach, pivoting head, and oversized control lever. An average-size gardener can easily water more than 110 square feet without moving. The rotating head sometimes came out of position when bumped into a hanging basket or potted plant. Still, with its excellent reach and easy-to-use controls, this wand would work well for those with larger garden spaces and varied plantings. Pros: longer reach than most wands. Adjustable spray head angle. Easy-to-use fireman lever control valve. Spray head rotates 180 degrees. Cons: spray head can get knocked out of position. Number 3, Melnor RelaxGrip 8-pattern 15-inch watering wand. A telescoping watering wand can make the world of a difference if your garden is large, or if you have tall hanging baskets. The Melnor RelaxGrip 8-pattern watering extension wand features a thumb flow control switch and a pivoting nozzle head, so you can choose the ideal angle for watering higher plants or cleaning your car. We'd be remiss to not mention one of our favorite features early on, a pivoting adapter to prevent kinks while you snake through your garden. Although this telescoping wand is not as long as our best splurge pick, it does extend to 4 feet, which is still plenty of height for an average height user. It is also backed by a 2-year warranty in case there are any manufacturing defects. We recommend adjusting the height before attaching it to your garden hose because it may leak water if you try to adjust it with the hose running and attached. But there are no extra settings, which again isn't a bad thing. You also get the RelaxGrip, which is very comfortable to use and will allow you to water for long periods of time. Pros: end adapter included. Pivoting head. 2-year warranty. Very comfortable to use. Cons: may leak in the handle area. Number 4, the Relax Gardener Watering Wand. The Relax Gardener Watering Wand is our best overall pick because it is a well-designed wand with 8 spray patterns and a comfortable thumb throttle to adjust water pressure as needed. This wand is made by gardeners for gardeners, according to the manufacturer, and according to our testers, it does live up to its design claims. The padded grip wraps around the entire handle, which makes it easy to screw onto a hose, but we wish there was a free rotation adapter included. Although we didn't find twisting and moving with the hose to be extremely difficult. A free rotation adapter would make this wand even more accessible to users with limited mobility. The nozzle also has a surprising pressure packed into it, which is especially helpful for washing cars or rinsing outdoor furniture. During testing, the spray shot to 27 feet on the strongest setting. Talk about packing a punch. Although it's very well made and designed, it does scuff when dropped on pavement. Like other plastic models, overall, our testers felt that the price point was justified by the materials and performance, especially considering their main concerns were not related to design malfunctions. Number 5. Melnor RelaxGrip 8-Pattern Watering Extension Wand, extendable from 33 to 48 inches long. The affordable Melnor RelaxGrip watering wand sprays large gardens and reaches high-hanging planters with ease. To help maintain a variety of plant types, it features an 8-pattern shower head to water tender shoots, delicate flowers, and hardy roots. This watering wand also features Melnor's RelaxGrip handle to minimize stress on the wrist and hands. Turning on the water flow is easy with a thumb control. At the push of a lever, the wand starts spraying. This watering wand offered the most adjustability of the group as well, in addition to the choice of 8 spray patterns. The ratcheting spray head rotates nearly 180 degrees. This made it easy to rotate downward for hanging baskets or outward to direct the stream toward container gardens and ground-level plantings. The telescoping feature made it a breeze to reach hanging baskets and remote garden corners. A threaded nut secures the sliding shaft at any length between 33 and 48 inches. Pros: ratcheting shower head pivots 180 degrees, 8 spray patterns, value priced. Cons: lots of moving parts add potential for breakage.